I'll do the little hand thing.
All right, yeah. Yeah, this one I like. It's other hand gestures I'm not so good
I don't use those.
Okay, good.
So, my name's Jolene Medina. I had the surgery last Wednesday as well. So, let's see, where do we start? So, basically going into surgery, I remember them taking me into the room. They told me before I go back up to the room, I'm going to have to like move my head and wiggle my toes or something. They'll take the breathing tube out, and then they'll take me up. That's the last thing I heard. The next thing I heard was, we're taking you up to your room. So I don't remember any of that. So the anesthesia works awesome. It's our friend, you know, we like that stuff. So as for the hospital stay, I was second in line. I think I got back to my room somewhere around 12:30. By about 2:30, 3 o'clock, I was up kind of doing my first bathroom breaks. And there were a lot of them. We gave the nurse more of a workout than I'm sure they were used to on a regular daily basis. So basically every hour we were up using the facilities. So I didn't need any pain medication, which I thought was amazing. There was a little pressure, but there was no real pain or searing pains or anything like that. So I just kind of stayed away from it. Let's see, what else? I think we got released the next day. We went over to Walmart, got some of the Benadryl and the chicken noodle soups and all that kind of fun stuff. Came back to the hotel, sat down, and I had some muscle soreness for about a day and a half, 2 days. Again, it was just kind of sore muscles. It wasn't searing pain, so I didn't really take anything for that. Just up my yogurt intakes and my chicken noodle soups, and I'm now spiking my Gatorade with some salt packets, which helps two things. Gets the salt in better, and it also cuts down the nasty sweetness flavor of the Gatorade. So that's a nice little added feature.
Good tip.
So Jennifer, one of your staff members, kind of told me about that one. It's like, I'm going to try that. So it works really well. Outside of that, we were able to go out and do things this last week. We went and did some shopping. There's way too many Walmarts in this town. So I think we had several of them for, you know, different things.
They're big.
Mm-hmm. So
There's
they
some
are.
big ones.
They are. We went down to Hoover Dam. For the most part, I was okay, but I didn't last forever. So I was good for about an hour, hour and a half. We come back to the hotel, and I had the best naps of my life this week. So it's like 4 hours, and all of a sudden it's time for bed again. So it's awesome. And outside of that, and I lost 11 pounds this week. So.